Another mild day here in West Michigan. We did get a break from the frequent and widespread rainfall. It hasn't rained in a lot of places today, but there are still some showers yet this evening. 13 weather ball is blinking bright, and then the showers will end early tonight. It is also blue, much cooler weather in view now for the foreseeable future.
The 13 Weather Ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Lots of clouds around the area, but there have been some hints of a little bit of sunshine, especially at the lakeshore. You can kind of see that in the Holland and Grand Haven cameras over through Muskegon. But that is a little bit of false clearing. It's right along a cold front that's going to eventually bring in some cooler air later tonight. Out ahead of the cold front, it's in the low and mid 70s, 75 in Detroit. It's only 63 up here in Hart and Ludington, where that game of the week is taking place. We have fallen back from our afternoon high down to 65. You can expect a couple of showers yet this evening, especially right around the kickoff into the halftime hours, but then just cloudy skies. Still comfortable. It'll be dropping from the 60s into the 50s. You can see some scattered showers trying to pop up here and there east and south of Grand Rapids, but here where's a line of some showers approaching Oceana County right now. And that's along that cold front that's going to be slicing through later on this evening. That's the leading edge of the much colder air back to the west. Still some wintry weather, Colorado, Nebraska, and Kansas. We'll see our chance later on this next week. 65 right now, but look at this, 20s and 30s back to our west. And by the time we get into Monday and Tuesday, we may actually see 30s. There are those showers. Skies will be clearing late tonight. We'll get a glimpse at that full moon. Sunshine tomorrow morning. High clouds come in the afternoon. That'll be the day to do raking your lawn, because some rain will be affecting areas south of Grand Rapids overnight Saturday night. And then on Sunday, we'll start the day dry, but rain comes in for most areas after about 4 o'clock in the afternoon then on Sunday. In terms of rainfall, not a lot, but enough to keep things kind of damp. And all of this will come late Saturday night and into Sunday afternoon. And yes, there is a chance of some snow. That will be also on Tuesday afternoon, just in time for the trick or treaters. As far as our long range outlook, temperatures around 50 on Saturday, 20 degrees colder than today, 47 on Sunday, and then only 39 on Monday. That long range outlook says we'll continue to be cool from November 2nd through the 6th, and we have an equal or a slightly higher chance for less system precipitation. So tonight, a few early evening showers followed by clearing skies around 40, Hart and Ludington, low and mid 40s elsewhere. Northern zone, again, a couple of early evening showers around 40 to 42 by daybreak. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll drop into the low and mid 40s. Any scattered showers will end, and then skies will clear. 13 on your side forecast. Around 50 tomorrow, 47 on Sunday before the rain moves in. That'll last till Monday morning. High of 39, 38 with some rain and snow for Halloween, especially around trick-or-treat time. 40s around the first few days of November, climbing closer to the average, up around 50 plus by the following weekend. Well, fewer showers today. That was certainly most welcome, and there's been a few breaks along the lakeshore, but there's a line of some showers approaching along with a cold front that's bringing in much colder air. 13 weather ball is blinking bright. Still a chance of showers yet early tonight. It's also blue, much cooler weather in view.
The 13 Weather Ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Gonna walk the dog. Be aware that there could be a shower, Amanda, for Andy, as looks very comfortable there. Skies will be clearing later on this evening, so we'll go from a yellow paw and temperatures in the 60s and 50s to a green paw with very cool temperatures in the low 40s tomorrow morning. A little more sunshine tomorrow, a partly cloudy day to mostly sunny. High clouds will move in the afternoon. 4.8 out of a 10-point scale on our green energy report. Winds will be down from today, only 3.1, but still a 1.1 equivalent homes powered by the wind. Let's talk about football. Western Michigan at Eastern Michigan, partly cloudy at 51 over there in southeastern part of the state. Grand Valley at home at 3 o'clock, 53. Mostly cloudy skies by afternoon, sunshine in the morning, partly cloudy in South Bend for a 3:30 game for Notre Dame, and Michigan State plays up in Minnesota where it'll be cloudy and 35 degrees. Yeah, that air is heading in our direction. We do have some scattered showers. Very light rain moved to the east of Grand Rapids. Here's a line of some showers. Although you're getting a little bit of clearing right now, you may be prepared for a scattered shower here in a little while. Back to the west, it's a very, very quiet, but turning out to be very, very cool. Behind this cold front, temperatures are cooling off. They're 65 to 70 75 over in Detroit. It's only 45 in Houghton. 35 out here in Mason City. We will see temperatures in the 30s later on this weekend and next week. Skies will be clearing overnight, so any evening showers will be ending. Lots of morning sunshine tomorrow. Clouds will roll in the afternoon. Saturday is going to be your best day for raking your leaves. We'll have some light rain move in from about Holland to Grand Rapids South later on tomorrow night. We'll start the day on Sunday with some sunshine or some dry weather, but after about 4 o'clock, we'll see another round of rain move in the afternoon. Just about everyone will see rain, and then skies will clear briefly on Monday before more rain and snow moves in on Halloween. Not a lot of rain, about 1/10 of an inch or less. Some of that coming later in the day on Sunday. And in terms of snowfall, yes, this is the Halloween forecast. There could be a little bit of light snow. Don't know if it'll accumulate, but you'll certainly see some snowflakes falling here in West Michigan. Looking beyond our 10-day forecast, this is from November 4th through the 10th, higher chances that our cool weather will stick around. Advertised around 50 to 52, so we'll be only in the 40s, and a higher chance that we could see more precipitation during that 6-day period, 5-day period, 7-day period. I got to do the math. We are perhaps also maybe seeing some snowflakes during that time period. Not tonight. Early evening showers, and then skies will become mostly clear. Around 40 in Ludington and Hart, low 40s to mid 40s from Holland and Muskegon southward. Around 40 to 42 later on tonight as skies clear, but this evening you may catch that scattered shower. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we might see a shower early tonight with clearing skies after midnight. Overnight lows in the low and mid 40s. 13 on your side forecast. So nearly 20 degrees cooler tomorrow. Dry all day. The rain will be from Grand Rapids south tomorrow night and then end. And then another round of afternoon rain into Monday morning, dropping from the 40s on Sunday into the 30s on Monday, and then a rain-snow mix on Tuesday, especially in the afternoon, only 38. And then as we head into the month of November, we'll still be in the low 40s, climbing into the low 50s by next weekend. At the end of next weekend, there might be some more rain. So yeah, not looking the greatest for trick-or-treaters.
I keep hoping it's going to change.
I know. I don't know if I'm ready for the 30s, the highs in the 30s yet, but it's here.
Yeah, it's here.
All right. Thanks so much, George.
Well, for the most part today, the showers have held off, but there are still some more moving through West Michigan. That's why the 13 weather ball tonight is blinking bright. A few more early evening showers in sight, and then clearing skies taking place, and then much cooler weather in view. That's why the 13 weather ball is blue.
The 13 Weather Ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Highs today in the 70s to our south and east. We stopped at 68 here in Grand Rapids, but look at that temperature, 75 in Kalamazoo, well above our average high of 56. Came within 2 degrees of our forecast high. We've hit our target 3 days in a row. Rainfall heaviest up in Oceana County, where live shots are taking place in that game of the week. We've had about 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch of rain across much of the area, and it's been a wet month. I think today makes day number, 16 out of the 27 days or so, 1 3/4 inches above average, with the rainfall 2.5 degrees warmer. And it's been a cloudy month, less than 28% of the possible sunshine. Oh, we got some showers up here in Oceana County, drying out elsewhere, upper 60s to low 70s yet, but wow, there's a cold front coming. And as far as our skies here tonight, we're looking at a full hunter's moon. That's actually tomorrow afternoon, but if skies clear late tonight, we'll be able to see that. But poor viewing conditions here this evening. As we get into the blues, we'll start to see some breaks in the clouds, so maybe you'll see that full moon before it sets tomorrow morning. Here's some of those showers up here around the Hart area. That's along a cold front that's pushing on through, and those showers will end this evening. But wow, when you wake up in the morning, feel like a whole different season. Clearing skies in the morning, mostly sunny to start our day tomorrow, but a lot of high clouds at the end of the day. Should be dry, so you'll be able to get out and rake some leaves. Now, there'll be some showers coming up from about Holland and Grand Rapids southward briefly tomorrow night before another round of rain comes in after about 4 o'clock on Sunday afternoon. This will only put down a few hundredths of an inch. We're not looking at a lot of rain. And then a little bit of sunshine on Monday, but we're looking at much colder air and another system coming down with some snow on Halloween. You can see have most of the heavier rain on Saturday night. Sunday morning will be down to our south into Sunday afternoon, less than 1/10 of an inch. But this is the Halloween forecast. Yes, some snowflakes falling, so it's going to be definitely a winter coat and some snow boots here, possibly on Halloween. Morning sunshine tomorrow. High clouds rolling in the afternoon. Mid and upper 40s north, low 50s. Muskegon south are a lot cooler than today. Cooler up north, upper 40s to around 50. Morning sun, afternoon high clouds, and here in the greater Grand Rapids area, the song remains the same, right around 50 Grand Rapids, 53 the warm spot in Battle Creek. 13 on your side forecast. From 50 to 40s on Sunday as that rain moves in the afternoon, ending Monday morning, but a high of only 39 Monday, 38 on Halloween, last day of October with that rain and snow in the evening. 40 on Wednesday, first day of November, warming to 50 by next Friday. Next weekend, not quite as cold with maybe a Sunday shower.